Today I will make this earrings. You can wear it in janmastami, radhastami, and other festivals. At first I will take white tissue paper. Then I will fold it like this. Now I will draw this shape with the help of a pen on tissue. Cut it with the help of scissors. Now unfold it carefully. Make fur of it. Now take thread and needle and stitch it as shown. Now take a cardboard sheet and draw a circle and cut it. Stick peacock on it and place the garland on it. Now take a big size pearl bead and color it with yellow. Stick it with peacock beneath the flower. Now take pearl chain and stick it around the bead with the help of peacock glue. Now take a peacock feather and stick it here with peacock. Now we will make stud for the earring. I am taking my old earring and tearing it. Now stick it with peacock at the back. Take another card and stick above it. Now for more decorations I am using stones and pearls. I am sticking it on the feather with the help of peacock. Now it's the final look. If you want more such video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.